Welcome to Amity University, Lucknow, where we nurture talent. This magnificent building is not just an architectural marvel, but a symbol of our commitment to excellence. Step into the world of knowledge at our premier university. Our campus is fully equipped with Wi-Fi and is also designed to be friendly for differently abled people. It has 17 institutions which cater to 87 programs having more than 5,000 students. The multiple research centers at AULC facilitate research in diversified areas like nanotechnology, biotechnology, electronics, agriculture, forensic sciences, and many others. In order to provide proper learning environment to students, the campus is equipped with more than 200 air-conditioned classrooms spread over 5 academic blocks of this campus. From engineering to pharmacy, business to liberal arts, this campus is home to a vibrant community of learners. This is Auditorium Building of Amity University, Lucknow, a true embodiment of art, education and innovation. The ground floor of this building has an auditorium with impressive capacity of over 600 people. This place serves as a perfect venue for large-scale events of national and international importance, such as conferences, seminars, and workshops. Auditorium Building is also home to the magnificent Central Library. This serene place houses a vast collection of books, periodicals, references, and national and international journals. Are you ready to experience the real court-like setting? Look no further than our dedicated moot court space. It's designed to provide students with valuable opportunities to sharpen their advocacy skills and prepare them to tackle the challenges of the real world. Amity Lucknow campus has laboratories equipped with modern equipment and software for hands-on training. Speaking of classrooms, ours are the theatres of knowledge. With smart boards, projectors and audio-visual technology, teaching and learning becomes more interactive and engaging. All work and no play makes for a dull college experience. That's why we encourage our students to stay fit and have fun with our top-of-the-line sports and gym facilities. Our facilities are designed to help you stay in shape, develop a spirit of healthy competition, and have a blast while doing it. But it's not just about casual playtime. We take our sports seriously here at Amity. That's why every year we host the Inter-Amity Institution Sports Meet Sangathan. It's a month-long mega event that culminates in the Founders' Day celebrations observed in the honor of Dr. Ashok K. Chauhan, our beloved founder president. It's not only physical health, but we also prioritize the mental health of our students. The Amity Center for Guidance and Counseling, managed by the Amity School of Behavioral Sciences, has been established on campus with professionally competent counseling psychologists to enhance the overall well-being of our students by facilitating their emotional, interpersonal and intellectual development. We also offer comprehensive hostel facilities for both boys and girls. There is also 24/7 active medical room at our institution. With round-the-clock nursing staff and partnerships with specialized hospitals nearby, our students are always in good hands. We understand the importance of nutrition for all-round performance, and that's why our on-campus food courts, departmental stores and ATM provide easy access to all daily necessities. We take the safety and security of our students very seriously. Amity University Lucknow campus has a stringent security system with smart cards, biometric readers, latest IP cameras, fire warning systems, 24-hour guards. As an institution, Amity University stands out from the rest with its holistic living approach and a vision to care for Mother Earth. Under the guidance of our esteemed chairman, water conservation has become an integral part of our initiatives. And we have taken steps towards rainwater harvesting to combat the growing crisis of water scarcity. Our commitment towards water governance and management has been recognized by the Ministry of Jal Shakti Department of Water Resources. There is a beautiful mango orchard within our premises for everyone to enjoy the lap of nature and to encourage research and innovation in the field of food and agriculture. We have founded the Amity Food and Agriculture Foundation. And finally, get ready to experience the ultimate college fest Amiphoria. With a variety of themes and a plethora of technical and non-technical events, this fest is not to be missed. Looking to kickstart your own startup or develop your entrepreneurship skills? Look no further than Amity's Innovation Incubator. This innovation cell offers funding to deserving and innovative ideas, providing students with the opportunity to turn their dreams into reality. Empowering tomorrow's leaders today. That's Amity University.